In this video, I'm going to show you this indicator that Bitcoin has been doing once every 4 years. And yeah, we are going to dive in also with the short term to give you a price update. We'll stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you this analysis for today with regards to the moving average. Because if you're going to zoom out the moving average in the weekly time frame, you can actually see now we are forming this very clear pattern. And this pattern now, what I'm going to show you is something related to the consolidation phase. And so just to give you a brief background, may sa isang market cycle of Bitcoin, there is a thing that's happening within the whole cryptocurrency market. We're in every 4 years, there is this clear trend wherein we are going to see a consolidation, massive run up. Then after that, magkakaroon tayo ng peak. And then of course, it is going to enter into a long-term bear market. And then after that, it's going to enter another consolidation, run up, peak, then bear market, and then another consolidation. So that has been the similar cycle that we have been seeing for the past 10 years already, or for the past 12 years na nga kung tutuusin. So, we have been seeing those clear areas na nga. And then one very clear characteristic na makikita natin dito sa crypto market is during consolidation and before a massive run-up, we always see a converging moving averages. Wherein yung moving averages natin, nagbabanggaan sa isa't isa at nagkakaroon ng momentum for us to form a big move. In this case, nung 2015, nagkaroon tayo ng massive consolidation area, and the same time, yung ating moving averages has been consolidating for a massive run-up. So, ayun, nagkaroon siya ng malaking momentum. So, we saw a movement to the upside. Same goes din dito. Nagkaroon din sa 2019 ng massive consolidation. And then, as you can see, we saw a massive run-up after that consolidation. And then, let's go back in time. Same goes on 2012 or 2011. So, you can see, we have been seeing those consolidations sa ating moving averages. And saka tayo nakita na massive run-up. As you can see, right now, Bitcoin is at that similar area. Then we are seeing a very clear consolidation. At the same time, the moving averages are right now converging and it's actually forming a massive momentum. The question is, are we going to see a bullish breakout dito? So, if you're going to look at this in a historical price action, it's more likely that it's going to be a bullish breakout kasi if you're going to look at the previous market cycles, every time that we are forming this consolidation, it's more likely going to lead into a massive bullish movement. So in this case, we are more likely going to see a massive bullish movement as compared to a bearish kasi bearish is also possible, but if you're going to look at the chances or if you're going to look at the historical price action or the historical data, it's actually more indicating na this is more likely going to be a bullish trend rather than a bearish trend kasi we haven't seen any bearish trend after that consolidation in the past Bitcoin market cycle. So if you're going to look at this, it's more likely going to be a bullish price action rather than a bearish. And this is something that I've been also waiting out for the past few months. Then it's just that I don't usually share this because it's taking a lot of time for this to play out because this is in the bigger time frame, especially when it's in the weekly time frame. And if you're going to look at this in the monthly time frame, try to look at the monthly time frame, you can see now we are actually getting a lot of support previously sa ating 50-week moving average, yung yellow line na yan. But the problem is right now we are just currently just hanging on within the currently this line na yan, yung 50-week moving average or 50-month moving average to be exact. So right now we have to monitor this weekly and monthly time frame indicator kasi it's actually a good hint on what's to come. And yeah, if we are going to play out this itong consolidation na to, if we're going to play out this momentum, if let's say na magkaroon tayo ng massive breakout after this moving average consolidation, we also have to watch out dito sa ating monthly moving average. If you are going to see also that similar move, if you're going to have a bounce and breakout dito. In that case, if let's say nagsabay siya dun sa ating weekly time frame na analysis, then it's more likely going to be a proper correlation. In that case, it's actually telling us na accurate yung ating analysis in the weekly time frame. So right now, I'm going to monitor two things moving forward. Then in our usual analysis, both is the weekly and moving time frame, weekly and monthly moving averages in both time frames kasi these are all good indicators in determining kung ano ba yung pwede natin i-expect within the next few weeks. But yeah, right now, it's actually building up to that potential move na we can actually monitor here with the Bitcoin price action. But yeah, that is for the long term. So that is indicating that we have a lot of potential opportunities for you to invest in the long term. It's just a matter of time on when we are going to see this play out. And we have been saying that for the past year already. If you have stuck onto our analysis for the past few years, congratulations kasi we have been through a lot. But yeah, right now, it's just a matter of waiting time lang talaga kung kailan tayo magkakaroon ng breakout. Even people who have been waiting in 2019, they took a lot of time before they see a massive move. Even ako noong 2018, nag-abang din ako na matagal bago nagkaroon ng massive move. So, it's just a matter of patience lang talaga. So, if I were you, just be very patient lang with the crypto market. And I think this is just normal din kasi of course we are also in a red month kasi since we are in a red month, September red month, I don't expect massive high returns for the time being, but this is actually a very good investment opportunity for the long term kasi of course, whenever the Bitcoin or crypto market is down, that is where you buy, and whenever the crypto market is in a very high, if it's, let's say, if the market is bullish, then of course that's where you sell then. But yeah, that is what we are currently seeing with the Bitcoin price action. Let's now dive into the very short term and both in the 4-hour and the daily time frame. So let's try to close down these charts and let's try to open our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, let's open the price range. Ito. So in the previous analysis, ang minomonitor natin was this potential support area which is around the 23 to 25,000 US dollars. So as you can see, we are still above that area. And right now, we haven't been touching dito sa ating red area na yan. So, di ba sa previous analysis, ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, we have to monitor two things dito for the Bitcoin price action. Number one is, are we going to form a bullish divergence? Kasi, if ever na mag-decline tayo lower, at the same time, the RSI has increased, then that is the time na we are going to see a potential bullish divergence. But right now, hindi pa siya nag-form kasi hindi pa mas nagde-decline yung ating Bitcoin price action. So, right now, we haven't been seeing that confirmation yet. So, the only time we are going to confirm that is the moment na magkaroon tayo ng movement to the 23 to 25,000 US dollars. So, hanggat di pa tayo pupunta ng 23 to 25K, then that is not yet a confirmed move. So, right now, I am still monitoring this Bitcoin price action. I think it's more likely going to enter to the $25,000 area or way below 25, maybe between 24 to 25. That's what I'm going to expect within the next few days. But the moment na mag-enter tayo dyan sa area na yan, that's 24, 25, then I think that's the moment na we can see a bullish trend reversal. Kasi right now, it's just a matter of one last push to the downside lang talaga. If ever na makita tayo ng malaking move, we have to see that kailangan lang siguro natin ma-clear out lang yung mga natitirang panic traders, panic buyers, or panic sellers. I think we just have to see that one last move lang talaga before seeing a massive move for the Bitcoin. And that's actually been pretty clear from the previous movements in the May price action. May to June, as you can see, nung May to June, ganun din yung nangyari. Nagkaroon tayo ng consolidation, and then after that, diba sabi ko dun ng previous analysis nung May to June, we have to see that one last push to the downside before seeing a massive round up to the upside. And ganun nga yung nangyari noon. So right now, that is what I'm also expecting similarly with Bitcoin price action right now, is for to see that one last consolidation, then one last push to the downside, at saka tayo makita ng up trend dito with the Bitcoin price action. And take note guys, if you want to trade this next move, you can trade this with BYBIT. And if you want to learn how to trade with Bitcoin on BYBIT, make sure to check out our videos in the description down below. We have a lot of tutorial videos on how to trade with BYBIT, so make sure to check that one out. And anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.